Hi there, I'm back with another frequently asked question. In this video I'm going to discuss how to program the gain settings as well as the external audio settings on the circuit boards of the Gold Series Pro Ears. Now, one of my favorite options about the Pro Ears Gold Series is the fact that it comes with the ability to connect to external audio devices through the audio input jacks located here. However, some people are confused with the fact that because you can program the circuit settings, they don't know what they're necessarily for or how to do it correctly. But don't worry, that's why I'm here to help explain. So, in order to actually show off the circuit board settings, we have to first remove the ear seal, like so. Now, you don't normally have to remove both phones, but I will be doing so today just simply to help show you the actual settings and the pins, because it is rather tiny, might be a bit hard to see. I'll also be sure to show some pictures that have greater clarity and more detail. Now, as we can see here, we have two different toggle settings right above the batteries. If I move this microphone out of the way, I might be able to see it a little bit easier. At the very top part of the circuit board, there is a line saying Audio Select. Right next to it is the mic gain. As you'll notice, there are two exposed pins and two toggles. Now, in order to change and program the circuit boards, you have to remove the toggle, exposing 3 pins, and then place the toggle on 2 of the pins. As I just did right here, I've moved one toggle over to MP3 selection for audio selection. The MP3 setting is useful for trying to have the supreme sound attenuation through an external audio device. In other words, if you want your music on your MP3 player to sound as clear and crisp as possible, switch the settings over to the MP3 settings. When you move the toggle over to radio settings, it will have the sound that goes into the microphone to pass through a sound compressor, thereby eliminating highs and lows but maintaining a consistent sound quality. This is ideal for those of us who are using two-way radios trying to speak to one another and don't need the hisses and pops or possible highs and lows that can come with speaking. However, because I prefer to listen to music on my headset, I prefer to remove the toggle and place it on the left and center pins, thereby making it great so when I'm jabbing to my tunes while I'm listening to music. The next setting is mic gain. Factory settings select gain on the low setting in order to protect your hearing. Typically speaking, most people will never actually use the high gain setting just because they are not either hunting or are of good enough hearing that they don't need to have extra sound. However, if you're like me, I do have a little bit of hard of hearing in one ear, and the 2 times gain setting is a huge boost to helping me hear what's going on in the range. So, in order to do so, just like before, remove the toggle, gently of course, and place the toggle on the left and center pins. Now it is in the high setting where gain is 2 times louder. Perfect for my hard of hearing, also great for when I'm on the range and I am distant from my instructor and need to hear directions properly. If you do not want to have it in the high settings, simply remove the toggle by gently pinching the toggle, slowly moving up, and moving it to the center and right pins. Now, this is a rather delicate process and procedure, so I do advise using extreme caution while moving these pins and toggles. Now, you know how to program your circuit board, and I hope you enjoy using your Gold Series Pro Ears. Thank you and have a great day.